Blue light distance. Evan wakes with the screen already lighting his face. Unread messages from friends sit ignored beneath notifications. He rehearses content angles instead of brushing his teeth. Evan walks through sunlit streets, gaze locked downward. Two classmates wave, but his attention never lifts. A near miss with a cyclist jolts him, but only briefly. His desk glows with tabs, his phone glows brighter. A colleague leans in, unacknowledged, then leaves. Lunch arrives, streams continue, conversation doesn't. Dinner with his roommate becomes dinner with a feed. He posts a story while an invitation fades unsaid. Alone at last, he scrolls in the dark until the room is only blue.